Good morning, student. Welcome back to our math session. In last um, sessions, we see the prime number, co-prime numbers, divisibility rules. So today we see the co-prime numbers and what is mean by co-prime numbers. Okay, see here. Before that, we see the common factors. What common factors? Okay, so here, suppose your number is given. Suppose we number is 4 and 15. Okay, so first you find the factors of 4. Now you know that how to find the factors of 4, you have to check the tables. Okay, 1 is a factor of every number, then 2 twos are 4, then 3 is not factor of 4, then 4 ones are 4. The number itself is a greater factor. Okay, after that we get the greater number. So 4 is a greater factor of 4, then 15. Okay, so 15 is, suppose now we take here, instead of 15 we take here 6. Okay, so 6, what is the factor of 6? 1, 2 3s are 6, then 3 2s are 6, 4 not a factor of 6, 5 again not a factor of 6, 6 ones are 6. Okay, so here we get the factor 1 2 3 6. Then what are the common factors? To write here common factors are, see, common factors 1 1. Okay, then 2 2. Okay, so here we get 1 and 2, we get two common factors. Okay, so the common factors of 4 and 6 are 1 and 6, and highest common factor means SCF. Okay, highest common factor. Which is greater number here, 1 or 2? 2 is a greater number, so we write here 2 is the highest common factor. Okay, in this way we find the common factors of given number. Now we see, suppose we take the next number. Now we take 4 and 15. Okay, 4 and 15. Now you know the factors of 4, 1, 2 and 4. We get here 3 factors. 15. What are the factors of 15? 1. Okay, 3 5s are 15. Then 5 3s are 15. Then 6 is not a factor of 15. 7 again not. 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Directly we get here 15. 5 1s are 15. So here we get the factors of 15s are 1, 3, 5 and 50. Okay, so here the common factors are, which are the common factors? We get here only one common factor. See here 2 and 4. Here 3, 5, 15. So we get here only one common factor, that is 1. Okay, so here common factor is or equal to, common factor is 1. So the two numbers having only one as the common factors are called co-prime numbers. See here, the two numbers having only one as a common factor called co-prime number. This 4 and 15 called co-prime numbers. And SCF of this number, again we get here only 1, because we get here 1 is a common factor. Okay, so this is your what is mean by co-prime numbers. Okay, see, two number having only one as the common factors are called co-prime numbers. Now see, now we find the common multiple, same like a common factor. So here in multiples we multiply the number again and again. Okay, so first we find the multiples of 3. We find up to 10. Okay, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27 and 3 10s are 30 and this so on. Okay, here is no limit. Okay, multiples are infinite. Okay, then 4. We write the table of 4. Now we write here multiples of 4 and 9. Okay, so here now we find the common multiples. Common multiples are, see here, 3, here not 3, then 6, 6 not in the given table, then 9. 9 is here, but in the table of 4 यहाँ पे 9 नहीं है. ओके, सो आपको कॉमन मल्टीपल्स मीन्स तीनों टेबल में आना चाहिए. ओके, 3 में, 4 और 9 में. सो हियर 9 इज नॉट अ मल्टी कॉमन मल्टीपल. 12 अगेन, 12 हियर एंड हियर, बट इन द मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 9 यहाँ पे नहीं है. So this is again not a common multiples. Then next 15. 15 नहीं है. Okay. Then next number 18. 18 again not in the table of 4. यहाँ पे 18 है लेकिन यहाँ पे 4 के इसमें नहीं है. Then 21 again not possible. Then 24 again this is 24 but here not a 24. Then next 27. 27 not in the table of 4. Then next 30. Okay. Here not in the table 4 और 9 के भी टेबल में नहीं है. Then next number we take. So here we increase the table. Okay. तो 3 11s are 33. 3 12s are 36. Then 3 13s are 39. 3 14s are 42. Okay. Then 40 का भी टेबल आपको इंक्रीज करना है. 44 48 52. Then which number next? 56 60. Okay, in this way we increase the table. Multiples of 3 and multiples of 4. Now we find the common multiples. Now see here we get the first multiples, that is 36. Okay, here again 36 and again here is 36. The first common multiple we get 36. Then next number we get here. Okay, when the number is, you have to find at least one common multiple and you have to write here dash dash dash. Okay, because here is common multiples again unlimited. Okay, so you have to write LCM is equal to, LCM means least common multiple, सबसे small multiple. जो फर्स्ट नंबर आएगा वही small होगा. So we get here 36 is the least common multiple. Now we see here one more example. We take now easy example. Here we take this example 2. Now first we write the multiples of 2. Okay, $18, $20 and so on. Then multiples of 4. 4 8 12 16 20 24 28 32 36, then 40 and so on. Then multiples of 6. 6 12 18 24 30 36, then 42 48 54 60 and so on. Now you have to find the common multiples. Right here common multiples are, which are the common multiple? First common multiple is, here is 12. Okay, this 12 12 and this is 12. So write here 12. Then next here is 16 16 9. 18 again 18 not in the table of 4. Then next is, here we increase the table. This is small table, so we write the next multiples 22 24, then 26 28 and so on. Okay, so next common multiple 20, here is 20 but not in the table of 6. 22 24. So here we get 24, 24 and 24. So next common multiple we get 24. Okay. So next again 32 again possible because 28 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आएगा 30. Then after that 30 we get here 32. 32 not in the table 32. तो यहाँ पे आप see here, यहाँ 12 1 जा 12, 12 2 जा 24, 12 3 जा 36. Okay, in this way we get the table of 12. Means here we get all the multiples of 12. These are the common multiples of 2, 4 and 6. Okay, and least common multiple is 12. This is smaller number. Okay, so you have to write here 12 is the smallest, means LCM of 2, 4, 6 is 12. Now in this way you have to complete the exercise 3.4. Okay, question number 1. See here, first question is find the common factors. So you have to find the common factors of 20 and 28. First you have to find factors of 20. Okay, then factors of 28. Then you have to find the common factors and write the common factors are 15, 25, 35, 50 and 56 and 120. Okay, you have to solve this question in your notebook. See here, this last question we see in. See last question. So here factors of 56 are. So this is even number. So 1. Okay, even number है 2 भी factor होगा because the 6 is ones place. So 2 is also divided by this 56. Now you know the divisibility rule. Okay, आपको भी divisibility rule है, you have to use here. 5 plus 6 11. 11 not in the table of 3, so 3 के table में ये नहीं आएगा. Then check the table of 4. Last two digits is divisible by 4. Then the given number is a completely divide. See here. Yes. So here we get the 4 is a factor of 56 because we get here remainder 0. 5 is not a factor of 56 because ones place is 6. Then 6 के टेबल में भी 56 नहीं है. Then 7 8 जा 56. Okay, 8 7 जा. Okay, then 9 is not a factor of 56. Then 10 11 12 and 12 is not a factor of 56. Then 13. Yes, 13. Okay, then sorry, not 13, 14. Okay, because 14 4 जा 56. Okay, then the factors of 56 are factors of 120. Again you have to, this is even number 1. 1 is the factor of all numbers. Then 2 because this is even number. Okay, then 1 plus 2 3. 3 के टेबल में भी आएगी. 3 plus 3 1 जा 3. Okay, then 5 के टेबल में भी. Yes, last two number digit is 20. 4 5 जा 20 means 4 के भी टेबल में आएगा ये नंबर. Then 5 because last digit is 0 or 5, so number is divisible by 5. Then 6 के भी टेबल में आएगा. Then 7 not possible. 8 again not possible. Okay, then so here we get the numbers 20 के भी टेबल में आएगा. Then 5 के टेबल में कब आता है? सी 5 2 जा 10. नाउ आपको उल्टा करना है. 5 2 जा 10, 5 4 जा 20 मीन्स 24 के भी टेबल में ये नंबर आएगा बिकॉज वी गेट रिमाइंडर हियर दिस इज क्वेश्चन मीन्स 24 के भी टेबल में है. नाउ यू हैव टू Divide this number by 4. 4 3s are 12 and this 0 as it is. So means 30 के भी टेबल में आएगा ये नंबर. See, this is 30. Then 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, सॉरी डिवाइड करो नंबर 123. 3 4s are 12. ओके, एंड दिस 0 एज इट मीन्स 40 के भी टेबल में आएगा नंबर. देन 2 6 are 12 and this 0 as it means 60 के भी टेबल में, and 120 is the greatest factor. Okay, so in this way you find the common factors. This 1 1, write 1, 2 2, this 2, then 4 and this 4, this 4. Okay, and after that we get, there is no common factor after that, so we get common factors are 1 2 and 3. In this way you have to complete the question number 1 in your notebook. Okay, thank you.